I'm happy to present you my best-selling watercolor kit Spain for beginners. I filled it with professional quality materials that I trust. The heart of this kit is the workbook. The outlines are lightly printed on premium 140 pounds watercolor paper, thick enough to stay flat while you paint. Inside you will find instructions and references for 17 lessons, which are designed to help you build confidence in watercolor step by step. Professional-grade watercolors made with finely ground, high-quality pigments. The kit includes brushes with securely set bristles, fine sharp tips, and excellent water-holding capacity. I've also included materials for creating special watercolor effects, masking fluid, and bags for adding rich textures to the paper. You paint directly in the book, frame your watercolors, and give them as heartfelt gifts to someone you love. Altogether, you can create up to 34 watercolor paintings.